Tahitian expression of the day. ʻāʻe, which means, oh my goodness, you'll get some, you'll see, you're gonna get something, you're gonna get a slap. We usually use this phrase when we want to correct or discipline someone. When I was a child and I was in a lot of trouble, my mom and my aunt, for example, will come straight at me and say, ʻāʻe, with a hand gesture like this, right? To say that, oh my gosh, you're gonna get a slap. And sure enough, they will slap me. Well, I know here in the US, we probably don't spank kids, or I mean, that's what I've learned. But in the islands, let's say the truth, we do get spanked. People who grew up in the islands can relate to me. I know that, don't hide, it's true. I know from my personal experience, I got a lot of spanks my entire childhood. I probably still have some marks somewhere. But anyways, that's just part of the Polynesian education. But anyways, in a real life situation, we will say this phrase like this. ʻāʻe. Not that I am encouraging everybody to slap everyone, but I just want you to understand what is that phrase for. Anyways, if you want to learn more about Tahitian expressions, follow me for more.